beauties!
So today, Shayna, Ashley, and I want to talk to you guys about our Pure Glow finishing powders. We know you have questions and we have the answers, so stay tuned. Okay, beauties, we know you've seen them all over the internet, our Pure Glow powders. A lot of people have been calling them highlighters, but they are not highlighters. They're actually finishing powders to put on after your foundation is on or before your foundation if you want to wear no foundation that day. The Pure Glow finishing powders are a game changer because they add a glow that seems to come from within instead of just on top. And you can add a little bit or a lot depending on how you feel that day. You can wear them without makeup to give you a natural glow for the day, or you can put them on top of makeup to add that extra oomph or even that filter-like appearance. Our Pure Glow powders are made like our highlighters in liquid to bake, which makes them silky and easy to use. They add an overall glow to the complexion with or without makeup. So needless to say, they're a must-have. They're a powder for all over the face, but if you also want to add a pop of an extra glow, you can always touch it up with your finger or a brush and add it in certain areas to add an extra glow. Enough of me talking. Ashley, Shayna, and I will show you bare face what they look like on and off and all over the face. We're going to show you what it looks like with a full face of makeup all over the face. And then we're also going to show you how to spot highlight with it using your finger. So if you want to learn how to use our Pure Glow powders, then stay tuned and watch. Okay, beauties, as you can see, here we are completely bare face and we're applying the powder only to our right hand side. So you guys can see what it looks like with the powder on and the powder off. Here we are back with a full face of makeup. Now we're going to apply the powder on one side so you can see what it looks like and the other one bare so you can see what that looks like compared side by side. Now we're going to take our Pure Glow and we're going to apply it with our fingers because we want to add that extra pop of glow. Okay, beauties, this is how we used our powders. I hope you guys learned something from it and are definitely dying to pick it up because we have not stopped using them since we got them. And we hope that you welcome the newest addition to our OFRA family. If you have any more questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below what was your favorite part of the video and what powder you are looking to pick up. And we'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye, beauties!